his chicks are scattered too far. So he sends out a secret alarm call. The chicks freeze. Zero to 40 miles an hour in under a second. With specialized eyesight adapted to low light, the chickadee is first to spot the airborne threat. And first to raise the alarm. Squirrels not only recognize the chickadee's call, they've learned to mimic it. Enemy approaching, low and fast. The little guys look out for each other. It keeps them one step ahead. You don't. What you really need are friends.